So, what is the answer to this one? Do we have the answer? Let's see, which of the answer do you have? X is 1.5, okay. If you have question like this, what is the answer? Everybody, this is brain exercise. You have to try and tell me the answer. Let's see. Mommy Siva, thank you so much for joining. How are you? Okay. We have different answer given now. Saying that X is 4, then others, what do you have? What is your own answer? Solve the question on the board. Tell me the answer you have before we do it together. Okay. So it's time for us to solve it together. Everybody, if you are still writing, it's time for us to it's time for us to work it together. Let's see if your answer is correct. So are we ready? Let's work it together. Let's see. So look at this one. Now, what do we do? Okay. Now, let's bring the question down. Solution. So we have 5 minus 4x minus 11 equals to 0. Now, all we need to do first step is to open the bracket. So I will use this minus. So we have 5 minus times 4x will give us minus 4x. Minus times minus. When you multiply the same sign, minus minus, what do we have? Minus minus, the sign will change to plus. Then before 11 equals to 0. Now, what do we do? All we need to do is to put all the same thing together. So we have minus 4x equals to 0. If I move 5 to the right, the 5, what is it going to be? Is it plus or minus? Plus or minus? So this sign will change to negative, minus 5. If I move this one to this side also, 11 also, I'm still taking it to the right. So it's still going to be minus 11. So we have minus 4x equals to, now I have minus 5 minus 5. Minus 5 minus 11. What will I get? Minus minus. What is it going to give me? So minus minus will give me plus. Add together is plus. So everything here, add together and keep the sign. We have minus 16. Minus 16. Minus 16. Now, what do we do? Now, so what are we going to do? So now, all we need to do now is to divide both sides. So divide here by minus 4. Divide here by minus 4. This remove, and x is equals to minus remove. 4 here 1. How many 4 is 16? How many 4 is 16 will give us 4. So x is 4. So if you solve this by yourself and you are getting 4, a round of applause. You guys are wonderful. So did you understand it? Check, is it clear to you? Okay, now let's try another question. If you're just joining us now, you're welcome. So let's try another one. Ready? Thank you very much, guys. So let's try another one. So next question is this. Let's see how we are going to solve the next question. So, but are we taking screenshots? Kindly take screenshots. Take your screenshots. Take your screenshots. We move forward. Take your screenshots. Okay, now everybody, this one is, you are going to time yourself. You are going to time yourself to work this one. And let's see. So simplify this. I have 2 minus 3. We have n plus 7 equals to 2 plus. Okay. So everybody, let's solve this. If you're just joining now, you're welcome. Thank you so much for joining. What did you mean by that? Guys, as you're just watching me here, if you have not subscribed to my you to my you please kindly go and subscribe because I'm still live there. Okay, like it's still showing live there because sometimes when you did not see me here so that you can still watch me there. Okay, so I want everybody here to go and search for me on that you app, the same name on the red app. You, I don't want to pronounce it full so that they will not, like, I don't know whether they will like block me. Okay, so it's the same name everywhere, same name on my t-shirt, PraiseRuth Mathsclass. Now I read mathematics education. No, that is what I did in school. I read mathematics education. So everybody time yourself and go and everybody go and subscribe to my U app. If you are just watching me here now, it's still showing live there. Okay, I'm still live there. So go and subscribe there. If you have not followed the page, it's very important. So that when you did not see me here live, maybe you will still get us from there. So I want everybody to go and subscribe there now. Okay, everybody, time yourself. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Time yourself to answer this question before we do it together. Same name, same name, same name everywhere. Once you just type the name, it will come out. Same name everywhere, guys. So go and subscribe on the U app. Do we understand on the U app? Yes, 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 Mommy Siva, yes. It's showing live there now. I just connect it now. Yes, I said I write mathematics education, Grand July. Yes, I teach all level, both children, adult, anybody, and teach anybody, anywhere you are. Teach you. Okay, David, noted. So others, try your own. No, I don't have PhD. Oh. I never read that level, but working towards it. Never read that level. Okay, so guys, let's solve this one. Let's solve this question. So what do we have? Let's see. Let's see. All I need is two follow. If you're just joining now, you're welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. So look at the question that we have on the board. So what is the answer? Reason why I don't connect on that you app now, like their comment now, I'm not seeing it because it's not like the one that you've done. I just need two phone to be going like that. Okay, like the one now, if there is any comment now, I have to turn to go and check it because I'm using the back camera. So we need two phone to be going live on that app, on that U app. I need another phone so that we can be going live there. It's not really easy, but this one now, if there is any comment now, like the way I'm reading you guys' comment, I'm not seeing anything there. I'm not seeing their comment because I'm using the back camera. So I just need another phone to be going live there. Okay. Amen. 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 Come here. Okay. How is it possible? It's not really that easy, Sha. Yeah, many have been saying, come to America, come to UK, come here, but how? How is it possible? Yes, mommy. Yes, yes. Yes, mommy Siba. So everybody should go and subscribe there. Let's see. So what is the answer to this one? Should we do it together? Are we ready? What is our aim? Do we get the answer? Have we gotten the answer? I want to see the answer, whether if your answer is correct with mine. Retired, you're welcome. Who is still writing? Are we still writing? Are we still writing, guys? Okay, so let's check the answer that everybody have, then we do it together. Are we ready? But before we solve it, let me check their question. Okay, so let's see. Okay. All right, now let's solve this together, guys. If you are just joining now, you're welcome. Okay, so what do we do? So first, what is the first thing are we going to do? Everybody look at it. Everybody, what are we going to do? 2 minus 3, n plus 7, 2 plus 4, 8. So what will I do now? What is the first step to solve this? Open the bracket. So what will I use to open the bracket? What do you want me to use? Open the bracket with what? Because we have two numbers there. Is it the 2 or the 3? So which one is going to open the bracket? So I'll open the bracket with the 3. With the 3. Yeah. So we have 2 minus 3 times n. 3 times n, what do we have? So 3 times n will give me 3n. Then 3 times 7 minus 3 times 7. What will I get? Minus 3 times 7. The answer is what? So we are going to get minus 21. So we have minus 21 equals to 2 plus 4n. Now at this point, we have removed the bracket. So what next? Now that the bracket have been removed, we need to do something. So what next again? Now all we need to do now is to put like terms together. We collect our like terms together. So we have minus 3n. I'm bringing this 4n to this place. If I bring 4n to the left, will it be plus or minus? Will it be plus or minus? So we are getting minus. So minus 4n equals to 2. If I take the 2 now, first of all, I'm moving 2 to the right. 2 to the right, the 2 will become minus 2. Then before the 21, 21 will become plus 21. Now, minus 3n minus 4n, what will I get? All the 3n, all the n. Minus 3 minus 4. So that will give us minus 7n equals to 2 minus 2. We are getting 0. Then 21. Now, is minus, so let me see where it is minus. Now, next thing to do is to divide. Okay, so divide here by minus 7, divide here by minus 7. This remove, and we have n equals to, how many 7 here? We'll give you minus 3. So our n is minus 3. So if you solve this by yourself, you are getting minus 3. Not negative, like, sorry, not positive. You are getting same answer. Let's celebrate you. Keep it up. Wonderful. So did you understand it? Is it clear? Okay. So now that is clear, we'll try another one. Are you ready? Now that is clear, we are trying another one. Are you ready? But take your screenshot first. Kindly. Take your screenshots. Okay, now let's try another one. Let's see. Okay, let me see a question. I don't understand your question, Philip. I did not get your question. Okay, now let's try this one. Are we ready to solve this? everybody, let's try this one. This question very, very simple. Everybody, let's try this. Very simple. Okay, Maths, yes, you are welcome. Oh my God. You're just joining us now. You're welcome. So, what is the answer to this one? This one, less than 1 minute, everybody. The question is too simple. We are asked to find x, so look at it. Can we see the board? They said if x squared is equals to 64. Now, you are asked to find x. So, what is x? David, are you sure? You're just joining now. You're welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. You're welcome to math class. So if you have not subscribed to my you app, please kindly go and subscribe. And also it's still showing live there. If you have not subscribed, kindly go there and subscribe so that any day you did not see me live here, you see me there. So search my name. It's the same name everywhere. Same name everywhere. Yes. So go and search for me on that app and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of our classes. Okay. The question on the board, it looked very simple, but I've not gotten the answer. All the answer in the comment section is not correct. The answer in the comment section is not correct. So can we try it again? Can we work it out? No, mommy. So now let's do it. Okay, so when we have this now, solution, we have s squared is equals to 64. Now, all we need to do is, I want to remove this square from here. How will I remove this square? I want to remove square from there. How will I remove it? So for me to remove that square, all I need to do is to take the square root of both sides. So we are taking the square root of both sides. This square removed. And when you take the square root of both sides, it's going to be x equals to plus or minus the square root of 64. So the square root of 64 will give us how many? So 64 will give us 8. Correct. So your x is 8 or minus 8. So this is how it's going to be. When you said only 8, it's not correct because what we have on the board is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. So it must be positive or negative. So did you understand it? Is it clear? Okay, so now that is clear, we'll try another one. Let's see. But if it's not clear, ask question. Tell me the place that you did not understand. If you did not understand it, kindly let me know. Any question? Yes, plus or minus. It must be positive or negative. If it's not there, it's not complete. You now do plus or minus. The square root of 64. Like you know that 64 is written as 8 times 8. So we pick one of them. So is it clear now? So let's go to the next question. Are we ready? Yeah. Blah, thank you so much for joining. Everybody, let's try this one in less than 1 minute. Everybody answer this question in less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. Time yourself. Let's see. Time yourself. Time yourself. How do we answer this question? If you're just joining us now, you're welcome. David said 2. If you're just joining now, you're welcome. Thank you for joining. Help, you're welcome. Thank you so much for joining this class. So what is the answer to this one? So all I want is the answer. All I want is the answer then before we now do it. Angel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for joining. You're welcome to math class. So looking at the question on the board, Angel, like for example, you're asked to solve this question. So how are you going to solve it? Like what is your answer? Where are you going to start from? So that is how we call it brain exercise. You first try them before we do it together. You first work it out, let's see. So what is the answer to the question? Should we do it together or you want to try the question first? Wise man, you're welcome. Should we work it together? Okay, now let's solve it together. Let's see. Then before we take the next one, everybody, let's try it together. Let's try it together. Let's see. So when we have this, so we are going to write solution. So we have 80 over 24 divided by 3 over 8. Now, first thing to do is, all we need to do first is we bring down what is there, 18 over 24. And this sign of division, the sign of division will change. It will change 2 times to multiply. Get it? Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, Lucky. So this sign will change 2 times. And once it changes 2 times, what will I do? 8 will go up, 3 will come down, and that will give me 8 over 3. Do you understand why is 8 over 3? Like, you have to swap this. You have to take the reciprocal. Did you get it? You have to take the reciprocal. Now, what do we do next? At this point, you check, can division take place? This and this, can they divide? 3 here, 1. How many 3 in 18? How many 3 in 18? How many 3 in 18 will give us? That will give us 6, correct? And 8 and 24, can they divide? Yes, again. So 8 here, 1. 8 here will give me, that will give me 3. Yeah. Now, what next? We check. 6 times 1 will give me 6. 3 times 1 will give me 3. Now, these two again, can we still divide it? Like, that is the next. Can we still divide? So it's still possible. Now we divide. 6 divided by 3. Yes, so we can still divide it. So 6 divide 3, and that will give us 2. So those that solved this before me, those that solved this before me, a round of applause. You solved this and your answer is 2. I celebrate you. Keep it up, keep it up. Wonderful. So if your is correct, but if your is not correct, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Take your screenshot. Next time, I know that you are going to get it. You will not make mistake again. So take your screenshot. Okay, so have you taken it? Have you taken your screenshot? Okay, if you are just joining us now, you're welcome, guys. Thank you everyone for joining us. If today is the first time of joining us, say you're welcome. So let's do that one. Let's see. Are you ready for the next question? Shoma, happy Sunday. Good evening. Are you ready for the next one? Let's see how you guys are going to solve the next question. Okay, next question is here. Are we ready for this one? I have 32 minus 27 divided by 9 times 10 all raised to the power of 5 minus 4 square. Can we simplify this one? Everybody, can we simplify this? Look at it. Can we try this together, everybody? First of all, you are going to work it out by yourself. You tell us the answer, then before we do it together. Okay? So everybody try. Everybody try. If you're just joining us now, you're welcome. Thank you for joining. Everybody, what is the answer to this one? We are waiting for the answer. Is the question hard? I teach Max, that's okay. Thank you. Yes. Rox, you are welcome. Thank you for joining. No, I don't speak French. I speak only English. Everybody, let's try this one. Let's quickly. Broken and boy, you're welcome. Black, Aisha 17. Others, what do you have? Okay, money bag set 2. Okay, everybody just try. See, everybody just try, even if it's not correct. We are going to do it together, but everybody just try. Try to do something. Let's see. Everybody just try. I'm waiting for the final answer. Let's try this. Everybody. Okay, Sasuke, just wait. We are going to do it together. By the time we solve it together, then you are going to understand it. You are going to understand it better, okay? Should we do it together? Because I noticed like the question is hard. Should we work it together? This one is likely exam question on the board. What is on the board is likely exam question. So let's work it together. Let's see. Okay, now let's work it together. Everybody, are we ready? Ready, ready, ready. So let's work it together. Okay, now all we need to do here for us to solve this, I will not just start solving it without following. Okay, without following board marks. So we must apply board marks. So B is bracket, B means bracket, O is off, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and X is subtraction. Okay, so we start with from the bracket. Now looking at the bracket, which one are we going to do first? We have minus, divide, times, but division comes first among all of them. So we divide. So we have 32 minus 27 divided 9. 27 divided 9. What do we have? So that will give me 3 times 10 all raised to the power of 5 minus. Now what is 4 square? All this square, let's remove it. So 4 square means 4 times 4 in 2 places, and that will give me 16 divided by 8 plus 3 square. 3 square means 3 in 2 places, 3 times 3, and that will give us 9. So looking at the bracket also, we have minus, we have multiplication, but multiplication comes first before subtraction. So I'll first do this, please. We have 32 minus 3 times 10 will give me 30, all raised to the power of 5 minus 16 divided by 8 plus 9. Now we are coming back into the bracket. So we have 32 minus 3, 30. 32 remove 30 will give me 2. Then raised to the power of 5 minus 16 divided by 8 plus 9. Then what next again? Now next thing is, what is 2 raised to the power of 5? 2 raised to the power of 5 means, it means what? 2 raised to the power of 5 means I need to times 2 5 times. So we have 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2. No, it's not 10. Oh, no, it's not 10. It means times 2 5 times. 5 times 2 5 times. That should be 32.